If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today I am making the chole masala or chana masala. And if you also want to know how to make the bhature, then you can check my episode on that. I will give a link in the description box below and you can check that. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the chole masala or chana masala are 1¼ cup of chickpeas, which is roughly about 250 grams. Take that in a bowl along with lots of water and soak that for at least 6 to 8 hours. And if you do it overnight, that would be great. Then we need a bunch of whole spices. But if you don't have these, then you can use ready-made garam masala powder. Just use 2 tablespoons of this. Then 2 finely chopped onion, 2 finely chopped tomato, 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 dried red chilies, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, then half a teaspoon of amchur or chaat masala, then some salt to taste. Now first we need to cook the chickpeas. So for that, take a pressure cooker and in that add about 2½ cups of water along with some salt and all the chickpeas, but without the soaked water. Discard that, add only the chickpeas. Then close the lid and over high flame let it cook for around 12 whistles. Then after that switch off the flame and let it cool down naturally, let's say for about 30 minutes, then open the lid. After that, take a pan or a kadhai. In that, add about 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or oil. And first, add the dried red chilies along with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Why we need that? It will balance the tangy spicy flavors of too much chili and also will give a nice color to the masala, which we're gonna make in a couple of minutes. So to the pan, add the ginger and garlic paste, turmeric powder and red chili powder and saute that for a minute. Then after that, add all the onion and tomatoes and again saute for a couple of minutes. And if you are willing to use the whole spices, then before making these, dry roast them for a couple of minutes, then with the help of a blender, blend to make a powder and use that here. Now add the rest of the ingredients and some salt. But keep in mind we have already used salt for the chickpeas. So add the salt only for these. Now roast these for a good 4-5 minutes until they are well roasted. Then after that, add all the chickpeas along with the water and mix it up really well and let it boil on high flame for about 3-4 minutes more or until you find the perfect consistency of the curry. And if you want it too thick, there's another way. By using a potato masher, mash some of it. That will also work. So that's it. Chole masala or chana masala. Do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.